Welcome students, this is the third part of chapter number 7. Looping control statement. Looping control statements are used to repeat whole program or part of it. In other words, looping control statements are used to repeat one or more than one program statement at a time. Looping statements are also known as interactive statement. There are following three types of looping control statement. First, for loop. Second, while loop. Third, do while loop. First, for loop. For is an entry controlled loop in which condition will check at the start of loop body. If condition is true, then loop body will execute. In for loop, repetition of programmed statement is predefined. There are following parts of for. Initialization. It is used for assign the starting value of loop variable. Second, condition. It is used to check condition. Third, increment or decrement. It is used to update the value of loop variable. Syntax for loop is given below. Example. Program for print counting 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 is given below. Program for printing even or odd number from 1 to 50 are given below. Program for print table of any number is given below. Program for adding 10 numbers and program for calculate average of 10 numbers is given below. Second, while loop. While is entry control loop in which condition will check at the start of loop body. If condition is true, then loop body will execute, otherwise not. In while loop, repetition of programmed statement is not predefined. Syntax of while loop is given below. Program for adding n values and program for average of n values are given below. Programs for sum of digit and program for reverse the number is given below. Third, do loop. Do is exit controlled loop in which condition will check at the last of loop body. If condition is true, then loop body will execute, and if condition is false, the program statement will be execute at least one time. In do loop, repetition or of program statement is not predefined. Syntax of do loop is given below. Difference between for, while and do loop. First, controlling. For is used for controlling. It is an entry controlled loop. While it is an entry controlled loop. Do it is an exit controlled loop. Condition checking. For condition will be checked at start of loop body. While condition will checked at start of loop body. Do condition will checked at last of loop body. Repeating of program statement. Repeating of program statement is predefined. Repeating of program statement is not predefined. Do repeating of program statement is not predefined. False part. For if condition is false, program statement will not execute one time. While if condition is false, program statement will not execute one time. Do if condition is false, program statement will execute at least one time. This was all about third part of chapter number 7.